Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how I make this Dollar Tree DIY spoon mirror. It is so easy to make. So I start off with 6 packs of the small 24 pack of spoons, and I'm just breaking each of the spoons apart. I also have a mirror, I have some glue sticks, and then one of those thick poster boards. I use black, you can use white or black. So I just stick my mirror without the frame onto like a semi-round piece of the poster board, and then I just glue my spoons all the way around. So I'm just making a design however I feel. You can do whatever design you feel you like, and then you just keep going basically. So what I noticed is that it looks more elegant the longer the pieces are for the spoons, like however long the flower of the spoons reach, and then also if there's less spaces between. So you want to kind of cover the entirety of the black poster board in the back. So you just keep going all the way around, and you can do it however you like. You can just see how I did it. So this piece, all in all, it costed about $8, $8 to $9, and you can make it a little bit bigger by adding more spoons, or you can make it a little bit smaller by adding less spoons. It's entirely up to you. But it is so elegant and such a beautiful piece. It's definitely like something that you can keep in your front entryway. You can put it on a wall on top of your sofa, just as just an elegant centerpiece to a focal point of a wall. It's beautiful. So another thing that I noticed was that if you line up like 5 of the long pieces of the spoons, and then you put a bead of the glue on top of all of them, by the time you get to the first one, it'll be a little bit tacky and a little bit cold, so it's a little bit easier to stick on. So I just flipped it over so that way I can add some more length to the back, and then I wanted my flower in the middle to be a little bit thicker, so then I just added some more of my round parts of the spoon. So to finish, I just added some rope and then 2 beads of the hot glue, and it was really light, it's really stable, and it's pretty light. So there you have it. That's my piece, and then you can just hang it up wherever you like. It is incredibly gorgeous and so easy and so cheap to make. Like, it looks like metal, and it definitely doesn't look like it was $8.50. So I hope you guys try it, and then let me know what you think, and let me know how it goes.